Hey guys, and welcome to TJ Tech. We're going to be looking at the IKEA rechargeable battery ecosystem, if I may call it that. This particular device is called the Storhogen. I'm sure I butchered that. And the batteries themselves are called the Ladda. So these are basically 1000 milliamp hour batteries, and you can get a pack of these, pack of 4 like this from IKEA. And then of course you have the recharging little system that they have over here. So this is pretty cool. The whole point of me doing this is basically for gaming, or like if you have any mouse or keyboard that require batteries, instead of using these disposable kind, we can get a bit more environmentally friendly and start using these ones which are rechargeable. Alright, so let me start with unboxing this thing. It's going to be a very simple unboxing. It's very IKEA style. So we have the item itself in the center here, the wire at the back, as always some literature. It does have charging indications, which is really cool. When you plug in every battery, it has an LCD screen and you can see the charging on that. So it's a pretty cool system. Here we have some, I guess, technical information. And then of course you have the wire itself. So this is what you would plug into the wall and you'd be good to go. Alright, so let's look at the actual charger itself. It's like a book. It actually looks like a hardbound book, which is pretty cool. It's got a couple of screws at the back which you can mount this thing on. Sorry, places where you can mount this on with a couple of screws. And then of course you have the device itself on the inside. This is the screen that I was talking about earlier that has the display for each battery. So you just plug in the battery sort of like this for a AA battery. A AAA battery will go on the inside part. I think you can, it's pretty obvious. So once you plug this in, it'll show an indicator of it charging. So I've drained these out from before, so I'm going to show that to you how it charges. Let me just plug this thing in. So in true IKEA fashion, it's very simple and straightforward to plug this thing in. So this is for where you can wrap the wire around if you're done using it. But basically, you can plug this thing in here. Instantly it turned on, so you could see all the LED little displays over there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug one of these guys in. And you can instantly see that this is actually drained. And just to illustrate this point a little bit more, I'm going to open up one of these. So 2 unboxings for the price of 1. Or none for that matter. You don't pay me for this, do you? Take a couple of these batteries out. And I'm just going to pop this in over there. And the more batteries you pop in, the more it's going to show you. And then you can sort of start seeing the indicator of how much your batteries are charged. I think it's a pretty cool concept. I'm looking forward to using this a lot. I like the fact that you can mount it in. And then of course you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a total of 12 batteries that you can charge at any given point in time, be it AAA or AA. Pretty cool. I like this LCD screen thing. I think it's pretty cool. Normally, I mean, I'm not the kind of person who would consider IKEA as the go-to for something like this. It's not the first place that I would have looked at. I would always look at something a bit more known for batteries like Energizer or Duracell or whatever those brands may be. But I wouldn't really think of IKEA. And it's really good to see something like this. It's nice. It wasn't that expensive. I think this was about 125 dirhams for these itself. Can't remember what the battery prices were, but I'm sure I'll put those in the description or as a text somewhere in the video as well. So the whole thing is relatively inexpensive. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Would you get something like this from IKEA? Or do you have some other products that you prefer to use as a charging bank for your normal batteries? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for any comments or suggestions, you can always hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.